Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in the last session we have discussed about one of the important concept. What is that? Lanthanide contraction. Okay, lanthanide contraction anta helide nanu. So lanthanide contraction for which we consider the cause for lanthanide contraction. So what is the cause? What are the factors which influences the lanthanide contraction? Yes, I said two factors. One is the effective nuclear charge and second one shielding effect. So because of these two factors there will be lanthanide contraction. So what it is? It is the steady decrease in the atomic and ionic radii of lanthanides with increase in the atomic number is called a lanthanide contraction. And what is the cause for lanthanide contraction means? We said it is because of effective nuclear charge and shielding effect. Well, now in this session we are going to consider the consequences of lanthanide contraction, that is the effects of lanthanide contraction. So what happens because of lanthanide contraction? Yes, the effect of lanthanide contraction includes three major factors. One is the atomic size of zirconium and hafnium. Okay, neodymium and talcum, molybdenum and tungsten were almost same. Because of lanthanide contraction, what we are observing? We are observing similarity in the atomic radii down the group. So if you consider down the group, generally what we say, atomic and ionic radii increases, right, due to increase in the number of shells. So even though increase in the number of shells, but atomic and ionic radii remain same. So generally what I am saying, similarity in the atomic and ionic radii of zirconium and hafnium, neodymium and talcum, molybdenum and tungsten. It is because of what? It is because of lanthanide contraction. Okay, well is the first one consequence. Second is, okay, decrease in the basic strength of hydroxides. Okay, there is a decrease in the basic strength of hydroxides, that is from lanthanum to lutetium, basic strength of hydroxide goes on decreases. It is because of what? Again it is because of lanthanide contraction is the second consequences. And the third one, post lanthanide effect. So these are the three consequences observed because of what? Because of a lanthanide contraction. Okay, well now we consider basic strength of lanthanide ions. What is basic strength andre? So basic strength is nothing but it is the measure of what? Measure of ease with which a chemical species lose electron. That is tendency to lose one or more electron, or else in another way we say the basic strength is a measure of ease with which a chemical species loses electron is called its basic strength. If it readily loses an electron, basic strength is high. If it loses electron with difficulty, basic strength is less. Okay, yes, then if I consider any chemical that donate valence electrons easily will be more basic in nature, and if it donates electron with difficulty, less basic in nature. So overall what I can say, your basic strength depends on what? Ease with which a chemical species loses an electron. Okay, if it loses electron easily, basic strength is high. If it loses an electron with difficulty, basic strength is less. Okay, well, so what are the factors? Then what are all the factors which affect the basic strength? Means it is the first one, atomic size, ionization potential or ionization energy we can say, and electropositivity. So smaller the size, what happens? Nuclear charge is more. Nuclear charge is more means electrons are tightly held. Yes or no? Electrons are tightly held means they are removed with difficulty. They lose electrons with difficulty. Means as size increases, basic strength increases. As size decreases, basic strength decreases. So both are directly proportional. Ionization potential. Lower the ionization potential means what? Greater is the basic strength. less energy required to remove an electron. Ionization potential means it is the amount of energy necessary to remove an electron from its valence shell. Okay, it is the ionization potential. If electrons easily removed, if less energy required, means what? Basic strength is high. Okay, if it is removed with difficulty, means basic strength is less. How it is related with ionization potential? If less energy required, if ionization potential is very low, basic strength is high. So if I consider atomic size, what we said, directly proportional. Basic strength and atomic size both are directly proportional. Larger the size, more is the basic strength. Lesser the size, less is the basic strength. Okay, then if you consider ionization potential, say smaller the ionization potential, more is the basic strength. Are you agree? Basic strength is more there. Okay, larger the ionization potential, more energy required to remove the electron, means its basic strength is less, which means what I can say, it is inversely proportional with basic strength. Then coming to the electropositivity. Electropositivity means tendency to acquire a positive charge, tendency to lose an electron. Say greater the electropositivity, more is the basic strength. Less the electropositivity, less is the basic strength, which means it is directly related. So what are the factors which affect the basic strength? Means it is the atomic size, ionization potential and electropositivity. The net effect of these, the net effect of all these three influences the basic strength of those lanthanides. Okay, well now if we consider basic strength of lanthanides with respect to size, ionic size, say 3 plus ion in their plus 3 oxidation state. If we consider atomic, or I can say ionic radii goes on decreases from lanthanum to lutetium. So as size decreases, what happens to the basic strength? Basic strength also decreases. Means if size is more, basic strength is more. If size is less, basic strength is less. So that's what we said, atomic size and basic strength both are directly proportional. Larger the size, it loses electron readily, basic strength is more. Lesser the size, electron loses with difficulty, therefore basic strength is less. So both are directly proportional. Okay, well, then coming to the next one, reason for decrease in the basic strength. Why basic strength decreases? Yes, we know because of lanthanide contraction. Because of lanthanide contraction, what happens to the atomic size? Atomic size decreases. Okay, there is a steady decrease in the atomic as well as ionic radii. So if we consider atomic radii, yes, atomic radii goes on decreases. So because of lanthanide contraction, atomic size goes on decreases. Yes, if atomic size decreases, what it means? There is an increase in the ionization potential value. Means the ionization potential or ionization energy is more. Atomic size decreases, so there will be increase in the ionization potential value. If ionization potential is more, then what I can say, those elements, those metals loses electron with difficulty. More energy required to remove an electron. Ionization potential increases, which means what I said, more energy required to remove an electron. Therefore what we say, the metals loses the electron with difficulty. If they lose the electron with difficulty, means what about electropositivity? Electropositivity decreases. Okay, if electropositivity decreases, then what about basic strength? Basic strength also decreases. Okay, so is the cause, or we can say it is the reason for decrease in the basic strength. Now if we consider decreasing order of their basic strength, say if we consider lanthanum to lutetium, what happens to the basic strength? Basic strength goes on decreases. So generally what we can say, basic strength is directly proportional to size. Larger the size, more is the basic strength, and vice versa. Okay, well, then next one, if you consider ionic size also, Usually, as we said, size both is directly proportional to both atomic and ionic radii. Well, coming to the basicity of hydroxide ions, that is, or you can say basicity, or you can say basic strength of hydroxides. So, what is the common oxidation state exhibited by lanthanides? It is a +3. So, now we can consider their hydroxides in a +3 oxidation state. That is metal hydroxide, lanthanum hydroxide, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium up to lutetium trihydroxide. Now here, if you consider the basicity, or I can say basic strength of these hydroxides also decreases. The basicity decreases from lanthanum to lutetium. Okay. Now, what is the reason for decrease in the basic strength of hydroxide, or I can say basicity of hydroxides? So means if you consider which is more basic means, so lanthanum hydroxide is most basic. Yes or no? Most basic. It comes first in the series. And what about lutetium hydroxide? Lutetium hydroxide is least basic, as it comes in the last of a series. Well, what is the reason for it? The reason is, yes, again we have to start with the what? Start with the lanthanide contraction. So, because of lanthanide contraction, what happens to the atomic size? Yes, we said atomic size decreases. Okay, because of lanthanide contraction, atomic size decreases. As atomic size decreases, further what we said, ionization potential value increases. Energy required to remove an electron increases. If ionization potential increases, what happens? Electropositivity decreases. Yes, these things are related. Say lanthanide contraction, because of lanthanide contraction, atomic size decreases. As atomic size decreases, ionization potential value increases. As ionization potential value increases, then what about electropositivity? Electropositivity decreases. Now here, if electropositivity decreases, what happens to the ionic character? Ionic character also decreases. Okay. If ionic character decreases in the sense, say what is the ionic bond exist here? So lanthanum hydroxide groups. Yes or no? Whatever the bond exists between lanthanum and hydroxide, it is a ionic one. Okay, ionic one. So this ionic character decreases means, say ionic character decreases in the sense that metal and hydroxide bond strength increases. If ionic character decreases in the sense bond strength increases. What the bond strength? It is the bond between the metal lanthanide and hydroxide group, that bond strength increases. If bond strength increases, what about breaking up this bond? Is it easy or difficult? That metal and oxygen bond, okay, splits with difficulty. Splits with difficulty in the sense they do not readily donate the hydroxyl groups. Okay, that metal oxygen bond splits with difficulty, or I can say the ease of producing OH minus ion decreases. Here OH minus ions are not readily formed or readily donated, readily split up. Therefore, what we say, the basic strength of hydroxides decreases. So, what is the reason? Reason for decrease in the basic strength means, just I will recall. So, what we said, because of lanthanide contraction, atomic size decreases. As atomic size decreases, ionization potential increases, electropositivity decreases, and further there is a decrease in the ionic character. If ionic character decreases, bond strength increases, metal hydroxide bond strength increases, and that metal oxygen bond splits with difficulty, and ease of producing hydroxide group decreases. Therefore, basic strength of hydroxide decreases. So we have to remember all these changes. Okay? Yes. Now if you consider order of basic strength of hydroxide ions, so lanthanum hydroxide is most basic, cerium hydroxide is less basic, and up to lutetium hydroxide is least basic. So basic strength decreases from lanthanum hydroxide to what? Lutetium hydroxide. Okay. Well, then coming to the MCQs. Yes, the first one, the most basic hydroxide. What is the most basic hydroxide? It is the lanthanum, right? Lanthanum hydroxide is most basic. Look at the options: cerium hydroxide, lutetium hydroxide, gadolinium hydroxide and lanthanum hydroxide. Which is most basic? Lanthanum hydroxide is most basic. Well, then the consequences of lanthanide contraction among these. There are 6 consequences. First one, atomic size decreases, basic strength decreases, zirconium and hafnium have nearly same size, all of them. So yes, it is all of them. Because of lanthanide contraction, there is a steady decrease in the atomic and ionic radii, basic strength decreases, zirconium and hafnium though belong to different periods but they have nearly same size. Yes, all of them, all are true. The consequences of lanthanide contraction, all 3 are consequences. Okay, well, then with this I am going to conclude about this session. Again in the next session we go for other concept. Okay, thank you, be safe.